I love working with the people. I love the fact that when I bring customers into this place, they can feel the vibe. They can understand that, hey, these people all really care about their job. And we challenge ourselves, and every day we're down there fighting to get the next label out because we want to make sure our customers are happy. And if they're happy, then Amherst Label, we're happy. My name is Hornor. I work for Amherst Label, an Inovar company. We're based in Milford, New Hampshire. We have about 35,000 square feet. We have 55 full-time employees, and we're currently running 2 shifts. What typically makes us unique here at Amherst Label is our family. And now part of Inovar, they're just an extension of our family. One of the things I've really noticed with Inovar is there's 9 different businesses out there. We share work. We help each other out. And I know my customers really appreciate everything the family works hard to do to make sure they get their labels on time, in time, at a fair price. We manufacture a lot of different products for different markets. We start out with direct mail, we do nutraceutical, we do chemical, we work through with RFID, we do a lot of food labels for customers. We're in the beverage industry as well. We ship actually all across the United States and internationally. We've had about 100 new customers each year over the last 3 or 4 years, which has really brought a lot of growth to us. Well, the reason for our success, probably about 6 years ago, we actually invested in digital. So we went through the whole vetting process of understanding which digital unit to purchase. We did visit all the locations, took a look at the equipment, made sure we talked with the partners and see what they had to offer. And our final decision was with Domino. We knew we made the right choice. We were really, really excited. Since then, we've invested in 2 MPS-Domino hybrids, and that's allowed us to really grow our capacity. It's allowed us to service more customers and do it in a timely manner.
My name is Katie Putnam. Work for Amherst Label, an Inovar company, and I am the digital print and pre-press supervisor. When Amherst Label decided to go digital, we had a big customer drive where we were starting to see multiple SKUs, as well as there was a customer demand for variable data. So we decided to acquire a hybrid asset because our customers loved our digital quality, but also wanted the finishing processes that we could do in Flexo. So having them merged together in a hybrid unit was the way to achieve that. So making the decision for the second hybrid was very easy for us because we knew we would have the flexibility of moving jobs from press to press and continuing to keep that consistency, and that quality was going to make our workflow a lot easier.
Hi, my name is Michael Brochu, and I run the Domino MPS Digital Hybrid, and let me show you. Here's our web cleaner and splicing station. Here's our front 2 decks and our turn bar. Here's our CMY KOV Plus White digital inkjet. Here's our last 3 print stations. Here's our lamination tower. Here's our die cutting station, our stripping, our second die cutting station. And it's all controlled from here in one pass. One thing I like about this system is how easy it is to learn. We have 3 dominoes. You can learn one, you can learn them all. And the integration between the Domino and the MPS is phenomenal.
In making a choice for digital, it was really, really important for us to understand the partnership that we were going to have, but also we looked at speed of the equipment, we looked at the efficiency of the equipment, we looked at the downtime of the equipment. When we had the setup of the equipment, Domino was right there to show us some of the tricks of the trade and how to work through things. And that was something I thought that was over and above. Domino has allowed us to really move a lot of those Flexo jobs, give us less waste, quicker turn, high quality label that makes a big difference for our customers. So this was a fantastic solution that we found.
A lot of my experience with Domino is on the technical or the support side. The Domino support team is great. They're very responsive in phone calls and emails, and we love when their techs are on site because they're like family to us. So to us, the Domino difference is the reliability and the support, but also collaborating with a great company and making magic happen.
There is a big Domino difference. It's the quality of the label, fact that it has a great white. It does run the full gamut, CMYK, OV, and the ability to run really fast. Domino has been an amazing partner right from the beginning when we had our first digital roll-to-roll. So it's been a game changer for us, and our capacity is almost full already. So we're going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to look at more digital assets. So with all the Domino difference changes out there, it's actually made us an Amherst label difference. We're able to service the customer quicker. We're able to service the customer with more lots. We're able to have more capacity. So it's actually a win-win. So Domino difference is making an Amherst label difference.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
From all of us here at Amherst Label, thanks, Domino.